Take it to heart. Heart disease remains the #1 killer of Americans, and stroke is the #1 reason for disabilities. With so many people impacted, this Saturday, the First Coast American Heart Association is holding its annual First Coast Heart Walk, and it is back, and it is bigger than ever before in one central location, which is the Jacksonville Fairgrounds. So here with me now is Donnie Smith, who's the Chief Operating Officer of Miller Electric Company. You know, Donnie, big job. You know, your company is the biggest sponsor, the presenting sponsor. And I mean, it's all about raising money. It's about raising awareness, and you all have put in a lot of work.
You're right, Melanie. And this year we're back at the fairgrounds and we're all together and we're excited to be there. But if you can't make it to the fairgrounds, there's ways to participate virtually.
Right.
This year's theme is Reclaim Your Rhythm. And at 8 a.m., the gates are going to open at the fairgrounds. And our leader and CEO at Miller Electric Company, Henry Brown, is this year's chair.
Yeah.
And he built a really great, strong executive committee that's worked hard. They've worked hard for a long time to make this the best ever Heart Walk. We have 80 companies from around Florida's First Coast participating. But if you're not participating with a company, you can participate as a walker.
Yeah, and raise some money.
And it's fun.
It's so, I was going to say, it is so fun. So I've been kind of up there on the stage rallying everyone up for many years. And I think the coolest thing is to look out there and see all the survivors, the families of the survivors, and the idea that you're really walking with people who have been through some things and they want to raise this awareness and they're just excited about life.
And everyone that participates can participate in everything going on down there. You know, one important thing, family friendly and pet friendly.
Yes, that's always a big one. And we're looking at one of the little heart heroes, you know, little children who have had some tough breaks so far. But with the help of the American Heart Association, amazing doctors, they definitely are able to survive and do well. So joining me now, I want to bring in someone who wasn't able to make it into the studio, but they are going to join us via Zoom this morning, Dr. Mussallem, who is with the Mayo Clinic, actually a doctor, an integrative medicine and health specialist, also a heart transplant survivor, who will also be walking this weekend. So thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. And I am just filled with boundless enthusiasm for this weekend. So thank you for letting me be here this morning on the show.
You know, as someone who practices medicine, also someone who has a story, you know, obviously you had a huge surgery and a huge recovery. I love to see that smile. What does it feel like when you're out there and you're walking with folks and you're talking to them and hearing their stories as well?
Gosh, I mean, it really just warms my heart to see and hear everyone come together to support the American Heart Association Heart Walk. And, you know, the support of our community and businesses directly helps save lives of babies, like you mentioned, and children born with congenital heart defects and adults struggling with heart disease. And there's nothing that unites us like doing good things together for others. And that's what this Heart Walk is all about. And, you know, it's super cool, especially now after COVID. And we hear a lot about burnout, but research shows us that people who have connected purpose for a greater good, they're happier. So this is so good for us. And, you know, the money raised goes to such a good cause. It can help fund the next heart and stroke medical breakthrough. And I'm here today because of this cause and what people do with the Heart Walk.
You know, and I have to say, I think what always touches me, I always cry at some point during Heart Walk because you see families who are so raw, like they've lost someone and they're there together. And this is so important from them. It's a milestone for the family. You know, $1.6 million is the goal. And as you mentioned, that money does actively go to support heart patients and also research, which every year a lot of really great research comes out of this that is going to save lives.
Exactly. And, you know, the other thing is the American Heart Association helps to educate thousands of people also about the life-saving opportunity that they can have with CPR training. And in fact, in 2016, I actually had a cardiac arrest with a near-death experience. And with heart failure, you don't look sick. So no one thought to do CPR for me. But fortunately, after multiple shocks, my internal defibrillator finally brought me back to life. But it's these life-saving opportunities that the American Heart Association educates people on, which is also so important. And then just education about the fact that heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the United States among men and women. And 90% of those deaths can be preventable by healthier living. Amen. So the education is excellent.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us. I know you probably have a busy day, Donnie. Thank you so much for your efforts. It's a lot of work when you take on that big sponsorship because you're calling and you're begging people to donate. But again, for a good cause, and hopefully you are inspired to join us because it is not too late. Get there early because, as you mentioned, there are a lot of vendors and a lot of really wonderful things to see, people to talk to. Bring the kids, bring your pets, and come out for a great walk. It is this Saturday morning. We are all back together at the Jacksonville Fairgrounds. I will see you bright and early. Simply register for free at firstcoastheartwalk.org. You can raise some money, you can grab a team, or just come out and support this event. Thank you both for doing the work that you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.